How to disable YouTube Shorts option permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can disable YouTube Shorts permanently. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we have to understand that YouTube does not offer an official option that will lead you to delete or disable your search permanently. So instead, what you can do is you can head over to the search, then go for the not interested or show fewer search. So if you're in a mobile device, you could open up YouTube in your device. So once you're on your YouTube and if you see the search on your home page, all you have to do is navigate to three dot icon at the top right of the search, and here you have an option that says not interested. Tap on it, and once you refresh your page, the search will no longer appear in your home page. So that's one of the way to disable the search option in YouTube, as it does not have the direct option. Now if the search again pops up, you have to repeat the same steps over multiple videos, and it will cue the algorithm to reduce search in your feed. And that's it. That's the way to disable YouTube search option permanently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.